How to make your YouTube playlist private. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily create a private playlist or make your current playlist private. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you need to do is open up your YouTube application and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now from here to access your library, you just want to head over to the U section at the bottom of your navigation bar. And once you land here, you'll find your playlists. So if you want to create a new playlist, just tap on this plus icon to create a new one and then name it anything. So once you name your playlist here on the set visibility, you can select public or private. So if you set this as public playlist, anyone who searches for this name will be recommended your playlist. So if you want it to be private, you can just simply go ahead and change it to private. Right now, I'm going to set it to public and create this playlist right here and then add videos to it. So I'm just going to add random videos. So I'm just going to add a few of these videos to the playlist. And now once that is done, you can find your new playlist right here on your library. So this is the playlist that I've just created. Now if you want to change the privacy of this, you can tap on the edit icon. Right here, just tap on the pencil. And then from here, if you want to change the visibility back to private, you can do that. And don't forget to tap on the save button. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.